Good afternoon, YakManiacs. We're back. Today we're back at the honey hole. You might already notice we've got our kayaks. You might have seen in the thumbnails too, but we're back with our kayaks because last time we came here and we used the canoe here, and it was just a little bit of a hassle to get the fish in.
Also, that killed my back.
Yes, my back was ruined after that. But we're back with our kayaks to make this fishing trip even better. It's rained a little bit, so we got the water's high. We're just gonna see what we catch today. Hopefully catch some big fish. Catch that fish that Justin caught.
And weigh it this time.
And weigh it and bump board it. See how long it was, see how much it weighed. Get that official weight. All right, we'll see you when we see you. Oh, I forgot. Actually, we're gonna add in some clips from earlier. Justin and I have been fishing since the last video that we made. We went to a new lake. It's sort of in a populated area, but we didn't see a lot of people there. Towards the end, a couple of boats came in, but we're gonna add those clips there. We caught a couple of okay fish. We thought we were gonna catch some giants out there because people caught like 4.5 pounders, but it was not a 4.5 pounder. Today is gonna be a good day. We are on a new lake to us. I fished it before, didn't catch anything, but I was just doing on the bank. Today we have kayaks. He's bleeding. Good fish. It's gonna get some use. It's gonna get some use. It's gonna get some use. Oh, yep, there we go.
Nice little bass.
Not too big, but I'll take it. It's bigger than what you caught today.
Let's say both of those combined that I've caught is bigger than that.
This is first use of the net. $40 net.
Broke the net in.
The net isn't the curse. We just don't know what is.
Us. Nice.
So I'm wacky rigging like Justin. And I just skip casted right underneath the bush. I just all of a sudden saw a boil and it just turned. And then I reeled in slack, set the hook, got it. It's pretty easy. That's how you're supposed to do it.
We've broken the skunk. We kind of figured him out. Two things. One, shade. Two, deeper water. We should have known that, but we went to the shallow side. We didn't even know it was the shallow side. But anyways, I need to upgrade on my size now. And I think we're gonna fish this bank for a few minutes and hopefully get some more bites, more fish, preferably more fish, but at least some bites. Let's go. Good one. It's a good one. Dude, just get the camera, dude. Okay.
All right, YakManiacs. We're out. Patrick gets the color of his shirt. I am pink. I'm gonna be red as lobster tomorrow. But I caught 3 fish. You caught 2. A couple of them were on camera. We just had a really tough day. It was hot out. The middle of the summer. We might come back a different time to look for those 4-pounders that are apparently in here. And we're actually gonna get to fishing today. We got the yaks. I bought a new kayak. This is not the new kayak. There'll be a new video for that later, but we're gonna get out there, catch some big ones, weigh that big fish that Justin caught last time that we were here, and hopefully I catch one as well. He's tiny. Oh, I completely ruined his lip. First fish, this is how it started last time. I started with the small fish. See you later.
I literally thought to myself, I'm gonna get blown up on this cast. I'm not even kidding. It's another good one. Another big one. Patrick is so mad. Ow. About the same size, honestly, as the last one. I think about 2.5 pounds. 2.97, 2.95, closer to 3. Calling it 3. Patrick, it's your turn to use this frog. I'm upset that you haven't had more action. Oh well. Sucks to be you. There we go. Third fish of the day. Another chunk. It's just so muscular. Thank you very much.
Give me that frog. Hand it over.
I wish I didn't have to give this back.
Hand it over.
You like that? It's another decent one. Stay low. Oh, he inhaled it. Ah, there we go. Fish number 2, or 3, 4. That's another fish for me. Patrick needs to catch up, but I'm on number 4. Probably this maybe 2.5, 3 pounds. Nice little blow up, but a hard fight too. He fought honestly harder than, not harder than the big one, but pulled up just as big as a fight. 2.5. It's literally 2.5 pounds on the dot. No, it's 2.6. All right, cameraman, eat a fish.
I'm working on it.
Dude, there's another big one. Dude, that's huge. Dude. 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 That might not be bigger, but that's huge.
That's fat.
That is, it's so fat. I love this place. I love this place. Look at how fat this is. The frog demolished. That's a heavy fish. This is a huge fish. Like, it's not as long as the last one I caught. But, oh my word. .75.
Let's see that.
It's kind of shaking a little bit, but that's a 4.5 pounder. He's short, but he is so girthy. That's what she said. Anyways, I am ecstatic. As always, I love this place. These have some big fish in here. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh God.
Got a good one.
Keep him pinned.
It's a good one. You're not getting there,
Oh, I just punched his face. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh God.
Let's go.
That is a huge fish for me. I am no longer the small fish here. I might just be a middle fish. 4.25.
All right. Patrick with the second biggest of the day.
We're going for bigger than this, buddy.
I want one twice the size.
I want one 8 pounds. If we put 8 pounds on today, I'll be happy.
Put it there.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. In this frog, that I swear by this, I will be buying many more frogs from Lucker Hunt because this one just works apparently. All right, back to it. I finally did what I came here for. That was to catch a fish on this Curado. I bought this a while ago and I need to catch a fish on it. Today, it happened.
He ain't even that big. Thought it was bigger.
So probably the final fish for tonight. He's a chunky. He's probably a pound and a half. I'm gonna have to go home soon, but it was a good day. It's a good day for fishing.
Slurp.